I found a new platform that allows you to use Seedance 2.0, Grok AI, and Grok 1.5. You don't need to move from one platform to another. All of these models are available in one platform, and you don't need multiple accounts to use this platform. So guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can use it. But first, take a look at the models on this platform. On this platform, you can use Seedance 2.0, and you can literally also use Grok Imagine, just like you're seeing here, and Grok Imagine Video 1.5. It's a new model that has been released on this platform. So you need to try this out, and other models are also here. Video 3.1 is here. One Clean, Seedance 1 Pro, Seedance 1 Lite. They are all available here. And now take a look at this. Seedance 2.0 offers us 15 seconds long video, 180p resolution, and Grok Imagine video. And Grok Imagine video 1.5 gives us 15 seconds long video and 720p resolution. And Grok Imagine video gives us 15 seconds long and 720p resolution. And all of these, we are going to be using the free credit that this platform offered us. So guys, without much ado, let's take you through the platform step by step. Here's one video or videos to see what the quality looks like. Here we have frame to video, and we also have reference to video. So we'll be using the reference to video, which will enable us to upload our reference image. All right, so let's go ahead and press my prompt, and of course move down. You're going to see the aspect ratio. Select it to the one of your choice, and the duration. So 480p resolution, that is 240 credits using Seedance 2.0 and 6 seconds, and with audio, and we have free credit of 600. So let's go ahead and generate this, and let's see the quality. Wow, the result is incredibly insane, guys. It is just so perfect and so cinematic. I love it. I love the output. So for us to download this, you simply go ahead and click this download button up here, and you download it into your mobile phone. So let's now see the quality of video in using Grok Imagine or Grok 0.5. Let's see what 1.5 will cost, okay, for us to use image to video. All right, so go ahead and upload that, the same prompt and the same image. So let's see what is going to happen. Now here it's still 270, and we still have a lot of credits remaining. And of course, you can go ahead and reduce this if you want it to be 4 seconds to reduce the credits, because I mean there's not much thing happening here. Let's just see the quality, right? Go ahead and hit generate. So this Grok is literally amazing, guys. Let me know what you think about this. Whoa, I love this. Okay, so that is Grok 1.5, right? And then this is Seedance. So tell me in the comment section what you think about this too. Let's see what Grok Imagine will cost us. Now, Grok Imagine video is costing us just 104 credits. So you see, Grok Imagine is the least, like it's costing us less, 104 credits. So guys, jump on this and start using this, okay? Now, I still have this, right? Still have my credit, and I'm still going to use the same prompt, and let's generate. So we are testing 3 models on this platform, and you can see the results. They are amazing. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, so you don't miss my next upload. Remember, I'm still doing my research. More tools are coming, so stick around so you don't miss any of my updates. Okay, so guys, watch Grok Imagine. Look at it, Grok Imagine video. Let's see the output. Wow, this is insane. Oh, oops. Okay, so guys, so that is it. So this platform is a place you can literally start using your project. This is not a promotional video. This is me bringing up tools, new tools every day as I'm making my research to keep giving out to you what you need. And I still have credits remaining. So guys, to access this platform quickly, shoot AI. Okay, that is it. Drop shoot AI, the first one. But I use this, okay? I use the second one. I mean, any of these ones works, but I mean, this is it. So this is the one I use, the second one, right? So click on the second one, and we are here. Once you are here, you want to select your email you want to use to log in. Now, I want to show you how you can claim your free 300 credit, because this platform gives you 300 free credit. All right, so guys, once this pops up, you're going to answer a few questions, right? Before you want to answer a few questions, then you proceed to the next one. Now, once you sign up, you'll be given 300 free credit, just like you are seeing here. And watch this, stay updated, get 300 credits now. Once you close this offer is gone. So you need to be very sensitive on when you get to this point, so you don't miss this 300 credits. So go ahead and agree and get the credit. Congratulations. So you've gotten your 300 credit plus 300 credit. That makes it 600 credit. So start creating. Just click on create video, or if you want to create images, click on any of your choice and start. So guys, until then, see you in the next one.